What's up guys, welcome to HiGoSpot channel. Are you seeing the iPad says security lockout error and wonder how to fix it? Keep watching this video. We'll show you how to fix the iPad unavailable or security lockout in 3 ways, including Apple ways and third-party ways. All iPad models, including iPad, iPad mini and iPad Pro, can be fixed in this tutorial. Method 1. Fix security lockout with Erase iPhone option. On iPad OS 15.2 or later, Apple comes with a series of new features. Security lockout mode is one of them. It allows us to reset our locked iPhone or iPad without a computer. Alright, you can look at the 9th generation iPad. It shows security lockout and try again in 15 minutes with Erase iPad option after inputting the wrong passcode for 7 times. When the Erase iPad appears, that means you can reset and wipe all content and settings by this option to regain access to your device. If you don't see Erase iPad option on the bottom, it's probable that your iPad doesn't connect to a network or this new feature may not release to your device. You can skip this solution and check the next method. Tap Erase iPad. Then tap Erase iPad again to confirm. Enter your Apple ID password to sign out of your Apple ID. Wait a short while. Your iPad is being erasing now. Once erased, your device will restart, then show you the hello screen. Swipe up or press the home button. Follow the on-screen direction to set up your iPad again or restore the data from your backups. If you don't have backups data in iCloud or PC, you can start with Don't Transfer Apps and Data option. You can use your iPad like a brand new. Method 2. Fix security lockout with iPhone Unlocker. If you need a more powerful tool for unlocking all kinds of iPad, all you need is the iPhone Unlocker from Appgeeker.com. It's super easy for you to operate. You can get in from the link in the description part. Download, install and launch iPhone Unlocker. Once launched the program, hit the Wipe Passcode pane on the interface, then click the Start button to kickstart the process. The next step is to connect your iPad to the computer with iPhone Unlocker. If the tool can't detect your device automatically, you need to place it into recovery mode. The different iPad models have different button operations. You can check the on-screen instruction to enter recovery mode. On your iPad with Face ID, keep holding the top button and one of volume buttons until the power off slider appears. Drag it to turn off your device. Connect your iPad to the computer while holding the top button. Keep holding the top button until you see the recovery mode screen. On your iPad with Touch ID, keep holding the side button or top button until you see the power off slider. Drag it to let your iPad shut down. Connect your device to iTunes while holding the home button. Don't let go of the button until you see the recovery mode screen. Once entered recovery mode, the app will show you your iPad's information. If it doesn't, you need to select the corresponding category and type of the device by yourself. Then click Start button. The tool will automatically match the firmware and download the newest iPad OS version for your device. Once done, enter 0000 when it prompts the window. Click Unlock after reading the warning part. Now you just need to wait for the tool unlocks your iPad and your device will restart during this process. Once finished, you can see the security lockout screen is gone and you can set up your iPad later. The only way to recover your data is to restore it from backups, so keep a good habit of data backup is very important to us. Method 3. Fix security lockout with iTunes. If your iPad operates iOS 15.2 or higher, but there's no Erase iPhone option on the bottom of the screen, you need to a Mac or PC and a USB cable to restore your device by using iTunes or Finder. If you're gonna use a PC, you need to check that it has Windows 8 or later, and that iTunes is installed. Run iTunes on your desktop, with the aid of a USB cable. Connect your unavailable iPad to the computer. Once done, some of you may ask why does nothing happen when you connect the device to the computer. Don't worry. The locked iPad won't be detected by iTunes until you put it into recovery mode. You can check the operation about how to enter recovery mode in previous method while using iTunes. Don't forget to unplug your device from the computer before you do this. Once you put your iPad successfully to recovery mode, click the Restore option on the pop-up window. Click Restore and Update button to trigger iTunes app to download the latest iPad OS for you. You can check the download process on the top right corner. Once the downloading process takes over 15 minutes, your iPad will exit recovery mode. You simply need to put it into recovery mode again. Once downloaded, wait a few seconds. You can see your iPad will restart and reinstall the newest iOS software. Once done, your device will refresh again. You can set it up and retrieve the data by restoring from iTunes Backup or iCloud Backup. That's all for today's video. If you have any question about fixing unavailable iPad, you can leave us a comment in the comment section. Hope this video can help you solve your problem. If it does, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to us. See you next time, peace out.